Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to Crafty Quilting Designs. I said good morning because it's morning here. Anyway guys, I have this really beautiful project that I've been longing to share with you for the longest time. I made this probably a few weeks back and I said I must share it with the guys on YouTube. So today is today. Now I had about 5 or 6 leftover fat quarters with me, and so I wanted to show you how to do this. It's such an easy, beautiful project. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful, simple quilt topper. Look at my pose. It's a beautiful quilt topper, and you can also use it for scraps. As I said, I had 6 layer cakes. Did I say fat quarters or layer cakes? It's layer cakes, guys. In case I said fat quarters, it's layer cakes. But you can make this into a quilt. It's literally another 5-minute block. It's just so easy to make and it looks fantastic. I'm just loving the fabrics on this. It was only 5, no, 6. What's wrong with me? It was only 6. All right, let's just get into this. All right guys, so you need your layer cakes. All right, so not fat quarters. I mean, if you want to cut them in layer cake size, that's fine. So I had 6 left over, so all I did was take those 6 layer cakes and literally cut them down the middle. Okay, I got some background fabric and I used white and I literally cut it into the size as they are. I will put the details in the description box down for you, or I will just simply link a pattern to my Spotify website so you can have it. It's a free pattern, okay? So all you need basically is to add in your background fabric there, and you're literally alternating the strips, okay? So you can use scrap as I indicated, or you can use your layer cakes. It really doesn't matter. All right, and that's simply the idea. So that is it. It is literally a 5-minute block. Okay, now with these ones here, all you'll need to do, sorry, this is wrong, so white to the top, white to the bottom, white to the top, and that's literally it. So you're alternating the movement of the layer cakes. All right, so white to the top, layer cake, white to the bottom, white to the top, layer cake at the top. So it's just up and down each time, and that is simply it. All right, so hopefully you've gotten the idea of it. So hence the reason why I said it's literally the quickest block you would ever make, but turns out so beautifully. And you would sew them front sides together like so, and then you'll have one long strip, and you just sew it together, because if you notice here, it equals the same size, doesn't it? So you don't have to do any matching of seams or anything like that. It is so simplified. It is literally falling asleep and piecing, and that is it. So let's get to basting and then quilting. It's as simple as that. I just love it when a quilt comes together so lovely. I am currently making, or quilting I should say, my quilt here. This is my magic pinwheel block. Just love this quilt. Can't wait to show you the completed look. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you know when another fantastic, fabulous, outstanding quilt is uploaded. That's how big my head is, guys. All right, but for now, let's continue with this. Once your little quilt is basted, next is left to do is to simply start quilting. All right guys, so this is the completed table topper. Let me go in so you can see a little bit of the quilting. As I said, I've been longing to share this with you for the longest while. I just think it's so lovely, bright and summery. Quick, simple, easy 5-minute project. Beautiful for your home, as a centerpiece, or on your coffee table, on your dinner table, whatever you want to use it for. And again, a really simple idea just to make a quilt, isn't it? 5-minute blocks, yeah? I tell you, they are the best. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up for this video, and do let me know if there's something you can make. Remember, all I used to make this simple topper, it was simply 6 leftover layer cakes, and there you go. All done, beautiful, dusted, lovely. Alright guys, bye for now. Happy quilting. Bye.